police officer. Yeah, that's better. That way it won't record my license plate. That's better. It should turn green. Please turn green. There we go. Woo! Let's get it. Alright, so today we're just cruising, man. We're just cruising today. I'm going to my college campus. I actually graduated, so I guess it's not really my campus anymore, but it was the campus that I went to. I'm just testing out stuff today. I got the new camera. We got the 360 camera on in the back. And then I have my mic finally working. I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod. I was having issues before, but I fixed it. I don't like being behind trucks and stuff that I can't see. I can't see like in front of them. For all I know, it's green. We got the other thing in the back. Hopefully it's working. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I can literally see in the car next to me without them even knowing. That's just hilarious. I'm literally a kid, bro. Look at that man. He's literally a pimp. He's chilling. I hope I'm like that when I'm older, bro. I'm gonna be walking around with a cane and stuff. I'm gonna be chilling with my cane, man. I'm gonna be cruising with my cane. Is that a cop? I don't think so. I'm about to fuck around and blow my engine up in this. Crazy, brother. Oh my. How's our stick? We're still here? It's still here. But it's still there. I don't know if this thing's even recording still. I just assume it is. I don't know though. Oh man, I used to go here. Oh, it's so sad, bro. It's so sad. It's the saddest thing ever. I'm about to do a fucking wheelie and shit, man. I'm not even downshifting properly, bro. What is... I'm over here about to stall in the turns. What is wrong with me? I just went into neutral, bro. What is wrong with me? Why am I driving so bad? What is wrong with me, bro? I'm driving horrendously. Horrendously. Like fucking horribly. I'm driving horrendously. I think it's in a good spot. I wish I could turn it with this. Oh, one of these days I'm gonna fucking fall over. One day I'm gonna fall over, bro. Long legs don't care, brother. Woo, here we go. Let's get the fuck home, man. We're gonna get the fuck home. I think I forgot how to shift. I can't believe it, but I think I forgot how to shift, bro. I think I forgot how to shift. Hopefully this guy doesn't pull out in front of me. Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh man, I love this bike so much, bro. Ah, shit. It's so fun. I fucking love this bike, bro. I love this bike. ¿Qué pasó, mijo? It looks like the weather looks fine. The weather looks fine, man.